Oh, all right, huddle up. If you've got any needs with your windshield or repairs, don't scramble around or eventually fumble the ball. Instead, call an audible and contact Auto Glass Professionals. They're like a great cornerback, right? They're all over it and they've got you covered. Or on offense, the other side of the ball, right? They're like a great quarterback leading you to the victory. Instead of fancy flea flickers though, or trick plays, they're just gonna give you no nonsense quality work and work efficiently. They're not gonna eat up the clock. They're just gonna take you down and eventually you're gonna score a touchdown. Hey guys, I know you fix auto glass and windshields, but do you fix giant cracks on a big screen TV? One call does it all at Auto Glass Professionals. Tell them Perk sent you.